All right, let's get our homework done. So the basic exponentials is 2 to the x. I need to know 2 points and the asymptote. So 0, 1 is a point on every basic exponential, and 1 and 2 is based on the base, and y equals 0 is always the asymptote. So 0, 1, 1, 2, and the asymptote. Make it dark. And then we're going to curve this. And there's the basic exponential. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the y coordinates times 4 to change it. Just the y coordinates. So we're going to go 1 times 4 and find where that is. I'll make that blue. And then 2 times 4, that's 8. So I change this one to 8. And recognize 0 times 4 doesn't change the asymptote at all. So using the blue points, we're going to curve, and we're going to curve. And the graph is the blue curve only. And I won't even make you do the domain, range, and end behavior, just to graph it. All right, let's look at number 2. So the basic exponential is 1/2 to the x. So 0, 1. Recognize the base is less than 1. So we're going to use -1 and the reciprocal of 1/2. And that's 2. And then the asymptote is 0. So 0, 1. You think, wait a second, that's off my graph. So let's extend it up here. So 0, 1, -1, 2. And it would look like this. Now the reason the graph looks like that, because this is going to be reflected. So just the y coordinates. So 1 times -2 is -2. So this is going to be -2. I'm going to do that in blue. And then 2 times -2 is -4. So this one is going to be at -4. And then we're going to use those points. Oh, and the asymptote at 0. So we're going to use those points and curve for our exponential. So the original, and then this one, this graph didn't give us room for the original, but we still took those points, we multiplied the y coordinate, and then replaced them, and then did the curve. Same thing might happen here. So -4, same start. So 0, 1, so still 1/2 to the x, so 0, 1, -1 in the reciprocal, and y equals 0. Again, it's going to be off my graph. So 0, 1, and -1, 2. And then the asymptote at 0. So that's what the original looks like. Then we take the y coordinate only and multiply it by -4. So -4 times 1. So this point is at -4. And then -4 times 2 is -8. So this one here is at -8. And then I'm going to curve using those points. And this blue curve is the answer to number 3. All right, last one together. Number 4. Start with the basic y equals 3 to the x. So what are 2 points on this basic? So 0, 1. Notice the base is bigger than 1. So it's going to be +1 in whatever the base is. And then the asymptote is at 0. So let's put the basic one on the graph first. So 0, 1, and 1, 3. And then we can curve those. Then we're going to multiply each y coordinate times 2. So 1 times 2, that goes to 2. And then 3 times 2, which is 6. And there you go. All right, Mr. G Math over and out. Good job you getting your homework done. Until next time.